ago, and I'm just here to invite her to share about her experience and how it was for her. Would you like to share?
Sure. I think what I most noticed during the session was very deep relaxation, which happened over the time. And I was on the big order of falling asleep a few times, which I didn't resist, I didn't fight against it, but I didn't drop down that far, but I was feeling this sort of deep relaxation just throughout the whole body. That was really beautiful.
And you mentioned you had tingling.
Yes, I had tingling in my hands and my feet were tingling during the session, like an energy field was moving around the hand.
Right. And did you feel any energy shifts in the body? Did you feel like
when I went home afterwards, I lay down and I was feeling like energy was moving in the body like this, as if it was adjusting, as if there was some shifts, something which was downloading actually into the body.
Okay.
This is what I would describe. Yeah. Quite strong actually, quite tangible.
Right. Yeah, that's really interesting. That's often, you know, the vibrations will continue to work their magic over a couple of days.
Yeah.
And it's good to take the time to be sensitive to it. And you had space afterwards to be able to.
Yes, always if I do sessions, I always just go home and lie down.
Yeah.
Because that's when you have to give the body the best opportunity to really integrate the experience and to really feel it.
Yeah.
Rather than just charging into some activity and not noticing what's going on inside the body.
Yeah. That's really great. And how did you feel when you got off the couch? Did you feel any different in your body? Did you feel like...
I felt lighter. I felt lighter and I did feel very relaxed. Relaxed and lighter and expanded. It expanded as if the energy had shifted. And when we did the grounding in the end, I noticed how my hands opened. Yeah. And I thought that my hands were relaxed, but in the grounding, when we were letting light out through the hands, I realized how tense we actually had been. And there's always so much more tension we carry in our bodies than we realize.
That's true.
And so this gives the opportunity to really let go. And then that reminds your body and you also what it really means to be relaxed. And then we can recognize at other times how much tension we hold in our bodies.
It's true.
Without realizing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. I like that about energy work a lot. It's that you get to feel things on a deeper level. And as I said, we think we're relaxed, but when we really tune in and we feel, then we can feel how the muscles are holding tension. Yeah. And on an energetic level, how there's tension being held. And energy work helps to really release it on a very deep level.
Yes.
So you're not just working superficial on the muscles like in a massage. You're actually working on the base of the body, which is our energy field.
That's it. Yeah.
That's why this work I find is so effective, because it really goes to the base of things.
It does.
Yeah.
I mean, I think for me, one of the key things about frequencies is it's addressing contraction, disconnection, congestion, anywhere where the energy is not flowing. So it's all about helping the body soften, muscles let go, so the body can open, and then ultimately connect with everything that we are, connect with the light that we are, our divine self, and ultimately feel our connection to the divine.
Yes, because we carry all these patterns, all these mental patterns, and all these fears, which reflect in our bodies, which are held in our bodies. There's a tension, there's a closeness in our bodies, which we don't notice, and we carry that around all the time. And I said sometimes it's just good to be reminded of that, like how it feels to be really relaxed, and how relaxed we can be.
Yes.
And I think that at the same time we're working on the energy field, we're allowing our mental patterns also to open up and to relax. Because we're just reminding ourselves of how that feels, and that is our natural state. That is how we naturally feel when we're not closed, and we haven't got the borders. So, it's a very good reminder. And I think reminding ourselves helps us to bring it back. It helps us to recognize that is what we really are. That feeling of just open and just relax and just totally letting everything flow through us.
Yes.
And that is our real state. And as we remind ourselves of that, it becomes more easy to shift into that state just in your daily life.
That's it. Yeah, the more we can have that awareness of, oh, I'm holding here, oh, I can relax. Yeah, to catch ourselves.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's great.
Absolutely. Yes.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
and thanks for,
Thank you for the frequencies.
yeah.
I've always felt that sound is the most effective way to go deep, because finally our bodies are built on energy, and energy is a vibration, and sound has the ability to shift that vibration, to bring it into resonance. And so when you're working with sound, you're working with the deepest level of our structure, of what our bodies are.
It's
Yes.
true. And if someone were walking past and listening to the tuning forks, they go, well, there's not much going on with that because it's not very loud. But I think we're so addicted and trained that loud is better,
Right.
when actually we're so overloaded. The body just wants to have something subtle but profound,
Totally.
which is what it can be.
Totally.
So I'm, that's why I love doing this stuff.
Yes.
It's
Yes,
great.
I really love the feeling when you put them on the heart here, and you can really feel the waves going into the body in this place,
Yeah.
and opening up and shifting something in that area.
Yeah.
And that felt really
Great, yeah, because by putting the frequencies through the forks on the chest, this helps conduct the vibration all the way through the skeleton. So you don't have to touch the whole body. You can do. That's another different type of session that I will cover in another video. I love that because the whole body gets it, and the whole body communicates through that. It's great.
Great.
Well, also thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed hearing Amber sharing.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye.
Thank you, Eeshira.
Thank you so much.